Okay, let's take a look at the next question. It says, which of the following payment types requires you to pay up front? One says money orders and credit cards. B says money orders and prepaid cards. C says merchant cards and credit cards. And D says merchant cards and prepaid cards. So this is just a definition question. So anything with credit cards is we know that we pay those at a later date. You're taking out a quote-unquote loan every time you purchase on a credit card, and so you pay that back at the end of the month. So 1 and 3 are eliminated, and then go between money orders and merchant cards. And so money orders are again a prepaid form of money order is a prepaid form of a card, whereas a merchant card is kind of can include either money order or credit cards. And so money order is only going to be only one that requires that kind of upfront payment, the same way like a debit card requires, and that's why 2 would be the right answer here. So let's take a look at the answer choices. 2 money orders and prepaid cards, which is correct, and then they give a definition of all the types of payments that are defined in this question. Money order is a payment order that is one of the most trusted forms of payments, as it requires a specific amount to be prepaid. It was introduced by a private firm, but became popular after its acquisition by another firm in 1836. The system was taken over by the post office in 1838. A credit card does not require an upfront payment, as a credit card transaction creates a liability in the name of the owner of the card that shall be paid within the specific time period along with interest. So yeah, that is a credit card. And C says a merchant allows payment receipts by both credit and debit. A merchant account allows payment receipts by both credit and debit cards. It's generally used by businesses. And so we're going to just keep in mind for number 2, money orders and prepaid cards, as the definitional correct answers. So good explanation of the options, and mark that as correct.